on 346 for the lead. And he puts down an awesome pass. Front wheels high in the air. John Jansen, 357.31. He'll be your new leader. So much better than the run he had early on here in the season, as he has just taken over the lead with